Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Sobhagya. So today we are making shrimp fry. It is delicious recipe. Let's check it out. So I took around 1 kg of shrimps. So I have washed it with water 2-3 times and then added some salt and turmeric and wash it again. Just mix them well and keep it aside for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then rinse it with water. Now let's add some spices. There goes 1 to 1.5 spoon of red chili powder as per your spice level, about 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, then goes salt as per taste, and then black pepper, turmeric half a teaspoon, black pepper about half a teaspoon, and garam masala about 1 teaspoon, half a lemon, and then mix it really well. Just combine everything. Now chop about 5 to 6 garlic cloves, half an onion. Heat up a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, any cooking oil, and then half a teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds, and then about 7 to 8 leaves of curry leaves, and there goes garlic, chopped garlic. As you can see, it's fluttering. After a minute, you can add onion and saute. Let it turn into golden brown. Meanwhile, half a cup of lukewarm water in which I'm adding tamarind so that it becomes a pulp paste, something like that, which I'm going to use it in the shrimp fry later to get that tangy taste. Okay, now let's check on our onion. It has turned golden brown. We're not gonna fry it any longer. Okay, now I had kept the marinated shrimp for about 30 minutes aside. Mix it one more time and then add it to the frying onion, and then mix everything really well. So you must be wondering, why did I soak it in salt and turmeric water in the first place in the beginning? So what that does, it will clean the shrimp properly and it will take out the smell, any bad smell that it carries, and it will soften the shrimp. So when you are cooking it, it will be really soft. So let's cover it and cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes and then give it a good mix. It has started leaving water and the shrimp has started to cook. You can tell by looking at it. It has changed its color from light pink, it is becoming white. Yeah, so let it cook for another 5 minutes. After which I have squeezed all the tamarind in the water so that it is now has become a good pulp. Now let's add that in our shrimp. Let's give it a good mix. Keep a check on it after every 1 to 2 minutes and keep mixing it, stirring it so that it doesn't stick or burn. See what a beautiful color. It's cooking evenly. And another 4 to 5 minutes and see, water has evaporated. So this is the time when you need to pay more attention. So total duration of cooking shrimp fry is somewhere between 10 to 15 minutes on a medium high flame. At this point, when all the water has evaporated, that's when you will add the tamarind pulp. Either you can buy ready-made tamarind pulp without seeds from the market, or you can buy the tamarind which you get with the seeds, and then you can make it into pulp like how I did. So another 4-5 minutes and then it is almost done. Just keep mixing it so that it doesn't stick to the pan, and that's it. It is done. Garnish it with lots of green coriander, cilantro, and it is ready to serve. It is an awesome, delicious evening snacks or party starters, or for lunch or dinner. Do give it a try and let me know, friends, how you like it. Enjoy.